So hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about different kind of stuffs related to anime and manga. So in today's video we will be learning about Webtoon, covering everything from its history to the future status. This video is in collaboration with My Hero Notebook. We hope you will love this video, so give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Now if you are completely new to this webtoon concept, let me explain this. It's a colorite manhwa, that is Korean comics made just for smartphones where you scroll vertically instead of the standard page flipping. Webtoon has become a big deal nowadays, but do you know when it all started? Launched in the year 2004 by South Korean search portal Naver, Line Webtoon, then just known as Webtoon, was the response to the state of comics industry in the country. In the late 90s and the early 2000s, many comic publishers were shut down after an economic collapse in the Korea. Webtoon follows the top to bottom reading style, which is quite contrary to the traditional manga reading style. Webtoon is also evolving day by day with new features and genre being added to its collection. Currently, Webtoon has more than 10 genres including drama, fantasy, comedy, action, slice of life, romance, superhero, sci-fi, thriller, supernatural and many more. But a lot depends upon the future of Webtoon. You will be amazed to know that Webtoon is not only evolving as a comic platform, but many of the Webtoons are getting anime adaptations as well. Webtoons like Tower of God, God of High School being the perfect example for this. And I will let My Hero Notebook explain this to you.
The first thing that comes to mind is the very controversial yet exciting recently animated webtoon Tower of God. The reason I say controversial is because of the mixed reviews for the anime. I am not here to give my personal opinion on that, but all of that aside, what makes this very exciting is that the webtoons are getting anime adaptations, and this opens up a whole new world for different minds to give unique perspectives, or even new perspectives on familiar things. All I can say is I am very excited to see the future of webtoons. I hope they do justice to season 2 of Tower of God, because in order to have something that everyone will like as a majority, you must first be able to present it in a way that is likable. So it being the first webtoon adapted into an anime is a really big thing, and if they fail to make it appealing to the audience, then it will lose hype and unfortunately the genre will die out. But that of course is under very extreme circumstances, and I doubt that will happen because talent will always push through anything else.
So for now, if you are really ready for diving into Webtoon and start creating your own manga, you need to know the difference between original and canva in the Webtoon. Originals are featured comics in the Webtoons platform. Those are sponsored and actually gives off profit for the creators. Whereas Canvas allows anyone to publish. It's a free comic hosting section and they hold no rights to your comic there. So it's kinda independent with no mandatory regular posting. Now what about the income? Well, creators can earn 50% from the ads displayed on the series. Follow these steps to join the beta period of the ad revenue sharing program. First, you have to sign up as a creator for the ad revenue sharing program and then hit 1000 subscribers and 40,000 monthly page views for your series. And boom, you will now be earning around $100 a month for 40,000 monthly page views. Yes, this money can rise proportionately with the rise in page views.
So with all this being said, I'm glad that I collaborated with Indeed the Royal. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. He's a very good YouTuber.
So this is all from my side. If you guys want an interview from an original webtoon creator, do mention that in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. And also don't forget to subscribe My Hero Notebook YouTube channel. Link is available in the description.
And thank you.